Welcome to this quick video on how to remove the wiper assembly off a 2012 Nissan Juke. Now I won't be removing it fully, but I'll show you how to get to it. Let's get started. I do apologize for the loud background noises incoming. The hoses underneath the cowl are for the washer nozzles. Once you have the cowl out of the way, the wiper assembly is held on by 3 10mm bolts and then one connector. Once you have those off, everything is pretty much straightforward. Just put everything back where it's supposed to be. Thanks for watching.